We've got an unboxing of this AOC Spark 6 Bluetooth noise canceling headphones. They've got the USB plug and play. They've got the microphone. They've got ease of use, eco-friendly design, lightweight design. So we're going to be unboxing this. I haven't used it yet, so that's what we're going to be doing here. Let's go ahead and open this up. I always forget that I need to just do these unboxings on a table. It's so much easier. But all right. So this is what comes in the box right here. So let's go ahead and pull out the headphones. We'll get to those in a second. Obviously they come in this nice, feels pretty protective. So let's see what else is inside the box. So that's it. And then you have these two things right here. So you have your instructions, which you have all of these different languages, which is why this thing is so thick. It's got a bunch of different languages there. And you have this quick start guide right here with this. I feel like this paper should be thick enough. Oh yeah, it opens up like this. So let's go ahead and throw that to the side. We've got our headset here. Got our headset. This looks pretty nice. What else is in here? We'll get to the headset in a second. So obviously we've got our, let's open this. So we've got our microphone to USB or to whatever this is called, 3.5 millimeter to a USB-C. We have a USB to USB-C, and then we also have our actual USB that is going to allow us to connect. So it looks like this, looks like this thing is supposed to fold. This is where you're supposed to look at the actual instructions here. I don't want to break anything, so this looks like it should fold. I'll have to read the instructions. Actually, let me actually read the instructions. Okay, I'm not sure if that thing actually folds, but looking through the instructions, there is an important thing that I didn't even realize. That so you have your USB receiver that can hook up to your PC, gaming console, portable gaming console. Then I looked at the actual 3.5 millimeter, so then that can hook up to your computer or to a game console or to your headset to something else, right? So the USB to 3.5 is actually pretty important. And then if you want, you could actually, if you need to do, we have some more 3.0s, and then if you needed to, you could do the USB-C to USB to your computer if you needed to do it. So let's go ahead and you can move this down or like this or like that. It does have a left sign right here. Let's see if we can see that. It does have a left and it does have a right. So we put it on like this. I have so much hair. Now I definitely feel like I should be working in one of those like telemarketer places. Oh yeah, this definitely is noise canceling. As soon as I put these on, I can't hear anything outside of this. Like it really deafens a lot of the noise. Wow, that's crazy. I had no idea it would do that. And then you just have this right here. So yeah, that's the unboxing of this product. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.